Students, let us go for the next is the empirical formula and a molecular formula. So what do you mean by empirical formula? Empirical formula is nothing but it is the ratio of the elements in a whole number, ratio of the element of a given compound. That is called as the empirical formula. What is the ratio of the elements in a given compound? So that is known as the empirical formula. Molecular formula means the exact number of atoms. Okay, exact number of atoms of that element. That is called as a molecular formula. Okay, let us take an example here. So to understand the empirical formula. Empirical formula ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಯಾವ ಅನುಪಾತದಲ್ಲಿದೆ ಆಟಮ್ಸ್ ಗಳು ಅನುಪಾತ ಅಷ್ಟೇ ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ. ದಟ್ ಇಸ್ ನಥಿಂಗ್ ಬಟ್ ಎಂಪಿರಿಕಲ್ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ. ಎಕ್ಸಾಕ್ಟ್ ಎಷ್ಟಿದೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ ಅನುಪಾತ 1:2, 2:3, 3:4:1 like that. Okay. What is the molecular formula? It is the exact number of atoms present in the given compound. Okay. For example, ಈಗ ನಾನು ಗ್ಲೂಕೋಸ್ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ ಬರ್ತೇನೆ. C6H12O6 is the glucose formula. Okay. What is its empirical formula? This is molecular formula. Empirical formula means what? The simplest, smallest ratio in a whole number. So if you observe here, 6 carbon, 12 hydrogen, 6 oxygen means the ratio of carbon, hydrogen, oxygen is ಯಾವ ಅನುಪಾತದಲ್ಲಿದೆ? ಇದು 1 ಇದ್ರೆ ಇದು 2, ಇದು 1 means empirical formula of this is what? CH2O, the simplest ratio. So it is nothing but 1:2:1. It is carbon, hydrogen, oxygen. This is the empirical formula. This is the molecular formula. Okay. One more example I will take. Benzene. Benzene formula is C6H6 is benzene. What is its empirical formula then? It is the CH. 1:1. 1:1. That is the ratio. That is known as empirical formula. This is the molecular formula. Okay, I will take one more. That is the alkanes. Alkanes formula. Okay, I will take ethane. Ethane is what? C2H6. What is the ratio? 1:3. So therefore empirical formula is CH3. What my point here? So what do you mean by these are called as the empirical formula? This is a molecular formula. Now normally asked is what? So they will give some percentage of carbon, hydrogen ಕೊಡ್ತಾರೆ. We have to find out that empirical formula as well as a molecular formula. So the elements percentage they will give. In our last class we have discussed that is a calculation of percentage of that element. Suppose if they have given the percentage of an element, we have to calculate its empirical formula as well as the molecular formula. Okay, so how to do that? So let us take about this now. Okay, so what they will give? So they will give here the percentage composition of the element. Percentage of composition of element ಕೊಡ್ತಾರೆ, molecular mass ಕೊಡ್ತಾರೆ. They will give the molecular mass and a percentage composition. We have to calculate its empirical formula as well as a molecular formula. Okay. So let us take with the example, and for that what we have to do? We have to make a chart. So columns ಅನ್ನು ಹಾಕೊಂಡು ಅದನ್ನು ನಾವು ತುಂಬಿಕೊಂಡು then we have to go for the calculation. Okay. So how to do that? Let us take up that formula here for calculation. Calculation of empirical formula and molecular formula. Okay. So first I will do the chart what we have to do. Then I will take the example how to use that chart or how to use that formula. Okay. So what we have to do is we have to make the columns here. First column I make as an element. ನಮಗೆ ಯಾವ ಯಾವ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರ್ತಾರೆ ಅದನ್ನ, ದಟ್ ಇಸ್ ಕಾರ್ಬನ್, ಹೈಡ್ರೋಜನ್, ಆಕ್ಸಿಜನ್, ಕ್ಲೋರಿನ್, ನೈಟ್ರೋಜನ್, ಯಾವ್ದು ಕೊಡ್ತಾರೆ, ಸಲ್ಫರ್, ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಅನ್ನ ಬೇಕು. ದೆನ್ ಪರ್ಸೆಂಟೇಜ್, ಅದ್ರ ಪರ್ಸೆಂಟೇಜ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರ್ತಾರೆ. ಸೊ ದೇ ಆರ್ ಗಿವನ್ ದಟ್ ಪರ್ಸೆಂಟೇಜ್. So carbon percentage, hydrogen percentage, oxygen percentage like that. So that we have to write the percentage. Next is atomic mass. Atomic mass. This you have to know. Normally ನಮ್ಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಿದೆ, especially carbon value, hydrogen 1 ಅಂತ ತಗೋತೀವಿ ನಾವು, oxygen 16, okay, nitrogen 14, chlorine 35.5. Normally ಯಾವ್ದು ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೇವೆ ಅದನ್ನ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರ್ತಾರೆ, ಅದು ನಮ್ಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಿರಬೇಕು. Okay. So atomic mass. So this is the first column. This is second column. This is third column. Okay. Next is what? So element adintra kottanta percentage baribe. So these are the in the questions we will know. Then atomic mass namu gottilla. Next column is what? Fourth column is percentage divided by atomic mass. Percentage divided by atomic mass. That is the next column. Okay, percentage divided by atomic mass is the next column. Next, after this, what we have to do is the fourth column. Right here, fourth column divided by the smallest number. Smallest number in this column ಯಾವ್ದು ಬರ್ತದ ಅದನ್ನ ನಾವು ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ. Okay, then last is the ratio. So this is the tabular column we have to make for the calculation of empirical formula and molecular formula. Okay, so this is what we have to do. Okay, element ಯಾವ್ಯಾವ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರ್ತಾರೆ ಅದನ್ನ ಬರ್ಕೊಂಡು, ಕಾರ್ಬನ್ ಗೆ ಕಾರ್ಬನ್, ಹೈಡ್ರೋಜನ್ ಗೆ ಹೈಡ್ರೋಜನ್, ಆಕ್ಸಿಜನ್, ನೈಟ್ರೋಜನ್ ಯಾವ್ದು ಕೊಡ್ತಾರೆ ಅದನ್ನ ಬರ್ಕೋಬೇಕು. Its percentage is given that term. Then atomic mass, percentage divided by atomic mass. It is column 2 divided by column 3. Then you are getting some value. So in this column, whatever the smallest number you are getting, that you have to divide each element. Okay. So then you are getting some ratio. A ratio whole number is ಅಥವಾ very very close to that. 2.01 ಬಂದ್ರೆ 2 ಅಂತ ತಗೋಬಹುದು. 3.99 ಬಂದ್ರೆ 4 ತಗೋಬಹುದು. Okay. Or sometimes ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ in between ಬರ್ತದೆ 1.5 ಬರ್ತದೆ. We have to multiply entire ratio to get with the whole number. 1.5 ಗೆ 2 ದಿಂದ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ನಮಗೆ 3 ಬರ್ತದೆ. ಸೊ ಖಾಲಿ 1.5 ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡೋಲ್ಲ, ಯಾವ್ಯಾವ ಎಲ್ಲಕ್ಕೂ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡ್ರೆ ಆ ರೀತಿ ರೇಷಿಯೋ ತಗೋಬೇಕು. ಸೊ ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ಹೌ ಟು ಗೆಟ್ ದಟ್ empirical formula ಮಾಡಿದ steps. After this what you have to do, you are getting some ratios here. So that ratio you have to take as a next is what you write, that is the empirical formula. Empirical formula ಅಂದ್ರೆ ನಿಮಗೆ ಏನು ಬರ್ತದೆ ಅದನ್ನು ಬರೀತೀವಿ. ದಟ್ ಇಸ್ ಕಾರ್ಬನ್, ಹೈಡ್ರೋಜನ್, ಆಕ್ಸಿಜನ್. ಕಾರ್ಬನ್ ಎಷ್ಟು 1 ಇದ್ರೆ 1, ಕಾರ್ಬನ್ 1, ಕಾರ್ಬನ್ 2, ಕಾರ್ಬನ್ 3, ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ಹೈಡ್ರೋಜನ್, H, then oxygen. That we have to write. Okay. So that gives you the empirical formula. So next what you have to do, after getting empirical formula, you have to go for a empirical formula mass. That is a empirical formula mass. Empirical formula mass is whatever the elements you are getting, that the number of atomic mass you have to add. So we know how to calculate molecular mass. Molecular mass ಹೆಂಗೆ ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಟ್ ಮಾಡೋದು ಅದೇ ರೀತಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬಂದಂತ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾದು ಮಾಸ್ ಕಂಡುಹಿಡಿಯಿರಿ. So that gives you the empirical formula mass. After this we have to go for a next is what, that is getting the value of n. So after this we have to go for a n equal to normally ಏನಾಗಿರ್ತದೆ, they will give the molecular mass ಕೊಡ್ತಾರೆ. So n equal to molecular mass divided by empirical formula mass. So you are getting empirical formula mass, molecular mass ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರ್ತಾರೆ, molecular mass divided by empirical formula mass is always equal to whole number. It is not a fraction. It is very very close to whole number, or it is whole number ಆಗಿ ಬರ್ತದೆ ನಮಗೆ 2 3 1 like that. Okay, so that is a whole number. So up to this get the molecular one, so n value. Then we have to go for the formula. Molecular formula equal to ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ? So right here molecular formula equal to empirical formula. Empirical formula is ಬಂದಿರ್ತದೆ ನಮಗೆ. Empirical formula into n ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಈ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾಗೆ ಈ ನಂಬರ್ ಅನ್ನು ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ. So that gives you the finally molecular formula. Okay, so these are the steps. What you have to do, you have to make the column. ಈ ರೀತಿ ಕಾಲಮ್ ಅನ್ನು ಹಾಕಬೇಕು. Element, its percentage, atomic mass. Then column 2 divided by column 3. So that is a percentage divided by atomic mass. So you are getting some numbers. E number ಗೆ you have to divide the smallest number of this one only. ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ ಇರುವಂತದನ್ನ divide ಮಾಡಿ. So that gives you some values are a very very close number, whole number. So that is nothing but a ratio. Okay? That ratio is nothing but a empirical formula. ಆಮೇಲೆ ಇದು empirical formula ದ ಮಾಸ್ ಕಂಡುಹಿಡಿಯಬೇಕು. So ಆದಂತ n ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಕಂಡುಹಿಡಿಯಬೇಕಾಗುತ್ತೆ. n equal to molecular mass divided by empirical formula mass. Okay, so that gives you the whole number ಬಂದಿರ್ತದೆ ನಮಗೆ 1 2 3 ಈ ರೀತಿ ಬರ್ತದೆ. Then you have to go for finally molecular formula equal to empirical formula into n. Okay, so now let us take the example. Okay, I will take the example how to work out on this. A compound contains 4.07% hydrogen, 24.27% carbon, and rest is ಅಂತ ಬರೀತಾ ಇದ್ದೇನೆ. And rest is a chlorine. Chlorine percentage ಅಷ್ಟು ಕೊಟ್ಟಿಲ್ಲ, but it is mentioned as what? Rest is a chlorine means 100 minus these two. ಇದನ್ನ ಎರಡು ಸೇರಿಸಬೇಕು. divide minus 100 then minus ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ whatever you are getting is a chlorine percentage, because when you add all the percentage you must get a 100. Okay, rest is a chlorine. Its molar mass is same as molecular mass only. Its molar mass is 98.96 gram. Molar mass ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ. Okay, find its empirical formula and molecular formula. Okay, so like this they will give the question. So normally 4 marks 3 marks 5 marks get ಕೇಳಿರ್ತಾರೆ. So what is given here? A compound contains 4.07% of hydrogen, 24.27% of carbon, and rest is a chlorine. And ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ which is containing hydrogen is an element, this carbon is another element, and a chlorine is an element. Now they are going the percentage. Carbon hydrogen percentage is to 4.07%. 24.27% is a carbon. Again, next what you have to do? You have to add these two. So chlorine percentage ಎಷ್ಟಾಗುತ್ತೆ? 100 minus. ಏನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು? You have to add this. So 100 minus 4.07 plus 24.27. So that's equal to 71.66%. 100 ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇದೆರಡನ್ನ ಮೈನಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ you are getting 71.66. So that is the rest is chlorine ಅಂತ ಕೊಡ್ತಾರೆ. Chlorine ಇಲ್ಲ ಅಂತ 0 ಬರುತ್ತದೆ. So we have to take it as a 100 minus this. So therefore we got the values of 71.66%. Next we must know the atomic mass. Hydrogen atomic mass is considered as 1. Carbon is a 12. Chlorine is a 35.5. Next term is what? Next column is percentage divided by atomic mass. Means 4.07 divided by 1 equal to how much? 4.07. Next is 24.27 percentage divided by atomic mass. 24.27 divided by 12 equal to 2.02. 2.02. Okay. Next 71.66 divided by 35.5 is also 2.02. So we got these numbers. So percentage divided by atomic mass ನಮಗೆ given. Next what? Fourth column means this column. This first, second, third, fourth column. Fourth column divided by smallest number means 4.07 divided by smallest number ಯಾವ್ದಿದ್ರಲ್ಲಿ 2.02. So both are same. It's 2.02. The value of this is nothing but 2 ಬರ್ತದೆ. Very close to 2. That is ratio. This is what 2.02 divided by 2.02 is 1. Here 2.02 divided by 2.02 is also 1. So therefore the ratio is what? 2:1:1. So 2:1:1 ನಮಗೆ ratio ಬಂತು. So that is nothing but empirical formula is what? ಇದು 2 ಏನಿದು hydrogen. That is the empirical formula equal to H2 hydrogen 2 item. Carbon 1. Then the chlorine 1. That is a Ca. This is the empirical formula. Okay. So what we have done? We have taken the elements. Then the percentage is given. That we have done. We must know the atomic mass. So that atomic mass we have done. Then percentage divided by atomic mass. We got some values. In this, which is the smallest value? Either this is the same in it. So therefore anyone will take it. This is the smallest number. So therefore we have to divide these with all the values in this number. That is 4.07 divided by 2.02. 2.02 divided by 2.02. 2.02 divided by 2.02. So we got some value that is the ratio. Suppose in the points very close in the same number. Bar difference is we have to multiply it so get a whole number. Okay. So now this is nothing but the empirical formula. Hydrogen 2, carbon 1, chlorine 1. Okay. Next is what? Empirical formula mass. It is mass content. So we know how to calculate the molecular mass. So empirical formula mass is here 2 into hydrogen is 1, carbon 12, chlorine is a 35.5. Okay. So we are add one. So these are the mass. So therefore what you are getting here is nothing but you are getting the value is a 35, 24, 30, 40, 49.5. Okay. 49.5 is what? Molecular empirical formula mass. Next we have to go for what? Next is a calculation of N. N equal to, what is N equal to? N equal to molecular mass divided by empirical formula mass. Empirical formula mass. Yes. What is the molecular mass given in the problem? 98.96. 98.96 divided by empirical formula mass. How much we got? 49.5. So it is almost equal to, okay, almost equal to 49 plus 49 is 98. So 98.9 is 99 nearly. So it is 2 hours. It is also always a full number. that is 2. Okay, so next is what? After this, ಈಗ ನಮಗೆ ಏನು ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಬಂತು? Next we have to go for a molecular formula. Therefore molecular formula equal to, what is molecular formula? Equal to empirical formula. Empirical formula into n. So that's equal to empirical formula. I write first carbon. Okay, CH2Cl. N means what? 2. So this is equal to, now you have to multiply this 2 and multiply one. Okay. So this is equal to C2H4Cl2. So up to this, that is nothing but a molecular formula of the compound. Empirical formula is empirical formula is the ratio. Smallest ratio is empirical formula. This is the molecular formula. Okay, I hope you have followed this. So normally exam ke, so how to calculate the empirical formula and molecular formula. So they will give the percentage of an element. Based on that, you have to calculate its empirical formula first. Empirical formula mass contributed. Then you have to do for n value. N value ಬಂದ ನಂತರ ಅದನ್ನ empirical formula multiply ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. You are getting a molecular formula. Okay, I hope you followed this. Okay, so I will give the some homework of this. Okay. Yes, so this is about the calculation of empirical formula and molecular formula.